Bel, mag-upload ka naglalaro 99 nights.
Ano?
More time 99 nights.
Sige.
Bel, may video dyan nakaano.
Magagawa tayo ng video?
Oh.
Private. Nangyari kapag meron tayo nakulang 100k views. Tapos, 1,000 comments. Tapos yung likes natin, 1 million. Tapos masisiping famous na tayo, di ba?
Hindi matagal pa yun.
Oo nga.
Alay, halika. Si Bel pina-record ko si Bel ng first long-term video niya. At ano yun? Playing 99 nights. For how long? Bel, charger niya, bilis.
Hello guys, so we are playing 99 nights. Two lang.
Oh, this is the camera here. What, I've just tuned on something. Okay,
So we are starting to game, guys. Okay.
Yo, you need to charge that real quick.
10 to 10. 10 to 10.
You did. Okay.
Meron mo yung charger, Timothy. Nag-record ako ng video dito. Loga. So we are starting today.
I'm trying to become a famous YouTuber one day.
Because we are homeless right now. So I'm going to save the first kid right now, guys. Oh yeah, the first kid is unlocked.
Video soon. Stay tuned.
Yes, guys. So guys, the first kid
Giveaway. There is a giveaway in Block Future at 100 subs.
I'm
We'll be giving away Tiger and Venom and what is it called again? Shadow and
yeah, my
Yeah.
brothers right.
and there's more.
Please like and subscribe for the giveaway. So
You know what? Let's make it 30. We're so close to 30 anyways. Comment down your comment down your username.
comment the name in comment the and
Also, I'm gonna make some total defense, so it's maybe
yeah.
two. Kita ko yan.
Tara, save na natin yung second kid. Ay, wag na pala kasi night time. Oo. Sorry guys, I'm Filipino. I live in Filipino, guys. Bro.
Bakit yun ang phone case na ito?
Eh, Papa. Hello, guys. So, this will go to the second question. Beat them up! Yeah. Come on.
Yung nagagawa ko.
Wow. Nagagawa kami ng video kayo mag-shagdo ng mga maingay na. Ha? Kasi nagagawa. Yung totong plug natin. Where are you, bro? I'm going to find some fuel.
Videos also coming to Jujutsu Fanatic.
Oh, alam
videos
ko.
coming soon.
Yeah. This is 100%. So we are going to survive 200 days. In food. Yes, so we have found a good chest right now. Spear is not bad. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm going to eat some ramen. I'm going to kill some wolf. Don't say. Don't say my brother is in 99 nights. For I punch you in the face. Many food. I'm going to collect right now.
Sige, sagot ang
Mamaya na. Mamaya na, ma. Nagagawa pa nga ako ng video. Huwag ka kasi ito mas maingay. Nakakaasar kasi. Wag kasi. Uy, tulang! Wilson, may marami kasing wolf sa akin, Wilson. No! Bro! Run to the campsite, bro! You are right.
Walang magpasan.
I'm not going to watch the cats. Why you died? Let's try again.
Huwag mo